out of all the contenders, balik to sa pageant ha, out of all the contenders of Miss Iligan, Miss Philippines Earth, and Miss Labason, who is the closest?
With these different pageants.
Yes.
I think that if I were to choose during my Miss Iligan time, I'm close to all the girls that I've competed with, that I've encountered. But I think one of the best during my Miss Iligan time would be Ate Grazel Katipay. And also in my Miss Philippines Earth journey, Miss Philippines Earth Mindanao, would be Feliz. Feliz is such a very bubbly person, and I just really love her so much. And we've been exchanging communications from time to time, even up until now. And I just think that she's the best person in the world during my Miss Philippines Earth time. And I think that during my Miss Labason time, Miss Labason is one of the best. I could truly say Miss Labason is just one of my core pageant, and one of the best girls there is Christine Joy Velez. Definitely, she's just an A to me.
Apologies that I laughed with the second one. Sorry guys, medyo nasamid na kung gamay pagkadungog na ako. I'm not going to elaborate pa. So, yun na lang po, mangutan na. Anyway,